Hello, my name is John Sayer, Technical Marketing Manager, Civil Infrastructure here at Autodesk. Today I would like to talk about one of the What's New features in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2016, replacing drawing objects with data shortcuts. We now have the option to use the Manage Data Shortcuts command to repair broken data shortcuts and to replace drawing objects with data shortcuts. As a result, users are able to compare the objects and data shortcuts that are in the current drawing to the data shortcuts that are available in the current project. Users can select a drawing object or a broken data shortcut and then link it to a valid shortcut. So let's run you through an example here of how this would help. This particular project, there's a phase 2 here you see on the right. It's got open ground, so phase 1 has been developed, but the surface is going to be used for preliminary design for phase 2. So we can go ahead and make a data reference to the surface and start our design. And in some instances, this might be preliminary design, but it might also be used for final design. The surveyor will go out and make sure that the surface has not changed. In the meantime, we'd like to go ahead and move forward with our design. So we've created a shortcut for our EG surface. Now, our draftsman or designer or engineer has brought in that surface and the XREF of the phase 2 background, and we've built an alignment and a profile and thrown some pipe networks out there. So over here in this area, we've got sewer manhole, we've got manholes running up the road. Again, we've got vertical on our road. We've actually gotten quite a ways with our design, but now the surveyor has come back and has updated the surface, okay, and actually named it a totally different name. So let's jump to that drawing real quick. And what they've done is they updated this area right here. So when they updated that area, they named the surface, if I look here in my prospector tab, they named the surface EG Surveyed Final, okay? Now, we've all had this scenario before where there's been a surface get generated and it's not named the same thing as our original ground or our EG, our existing ground, and we have to update it throughout our whole plan set. So now what we need to do is we need to shortcut out or create a data shortcut for our final surface. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push that out. And now we have a shortcut for our finished surveyed surface. But now, here is where the new feature comes into play. So we need to update our design surface with the data shortcut surface EG Survey Final. I'm going to zoom in, let you take a look. We've got our structure here with the original surface, that rim elevation is at 1218.79. So what we'll do is we will go up and select Manage Data Shortcuts. I'll go ahead and pick the surface that we are currently using, and I'll also select a surface out of our data shortcut project that would be the final surveyed surface. I'll select my link button in the middle and I'll hit OK. And you can see here my rim elevation has changed, so it's dropped. So my pipes have all updated. My profile also updated here in my profile view. So again, this change propagates through and rebuilds everything according to the newly managed shortcut. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and have a great day.